Nimalan finish, ma'am.
Very good, Nimalan. Capital M and small m. Very good. Capital M also, ma'am, will write. Capital M, small m. Good. Those are finished. Show me. Very good, Kevin. Srinija, where is your M letter? Very good, Srinija. Good. Very good, Adya. Good. M.
Good morning, ma'am.
Very good, Vyasri. Good morning, ma. Huh? Laptop, yeah. Okay, come on, write. Take and write, ma. Tilaka. எடுத்து எழுதுங்க M எழுதுங்க. Okay, next letter is N. Write N. N, how will you write? Capital N. Small n, a standing line, go up in the same line, only one curve. For M, you will draw two curves, but for N, only one curve. N. Sarah, follow the line, Sarah. Line follow பண்ணி எழுதுங்க. Any 4 lines you can follow. Starting dot, you guide her with the starting dot, Sarah's mom. Whenever
Okay,
he
ma'am.
is writing, you just keep the
Okay.
dot எங்கன்னா நீ ஆரம்பிக்கணும். Like that you keep the
Okay.
dot. Then she herself will know.
Okay, ma'am. Okay.
Ma'am, Nimalan finish, ma'am.
Very good, Nimalan. How is your health, Nimalan? How is your cold? Fine, huh? You're okay?
Okay, ma'am.
He's better now, ma'am.
Yeah, fine.
Thank
Good.
you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah, welcome. And yes, Sri, ending எழுதுங்க காட்டுங்க பார்க்கலாம். Correct. Sarah, small n. Sarah is wearing a beautiful dress today with lot of flowers. Good morning, Yukta. Yukta is late today.
Sorry, ma'am.
Mummy late today, va?
Yes.
Okay, fine. Take your slate and write M and N. Come on.
Okay, ma'am.
Very good, Ma Srinija. Adya, where is your N?
Small and she's not understanding.
Small N. Standing line. First standing line.
Oh, this
First
one.
standing line.
Standing line.
Standing line लिखो. Standing line.
Wow.
Go ऊपर जाओ. Same standing line. Like this. Like this.
हाँ, ऐसे जाओ, ऐसे
Yeah.
बेटा.
Got it?
ठीक है?
Show me, Adya. Show it to mom. Come on.
Mama,
Yes, good. Correct. Very good. Another time you write, ma. Adya, write one more time. Finish N. And next is O, children. We learned O also, right? Capital O, small o. O. Capital O and small o. M and O. 1 minute, children. I'll be back. Okay.
When
Yes, finished. Oh, very good. Okay, next letter. Okay. Next letter is K. Kites are flying in the sky. K. K. Capital K. Small K. Kites are flying in the sky. K. Come on, show me how many of you have written. Lift your slate and show children. Many of you, I can't focus on what you are writing. So after writing, you lift and show me the slate, okay? Okay. Next is L, capital L. How should I write the small L? Who knows to write small L? Small L எப்படி எழுதணும்? A standing line. Only a standing line. Capital L, small L.
Nimal finish, ma.
Very good, Nimalan. Good boy. Sarah K, you didn't write. Nakshatra, early you should join Nakshatra. Now the time is 11:10.
Write the small case.
From tomorrow onwards, we'll start sharp at 11. Okay, and a very good Nitish. Adya, where is your K and L? Come on, let me see. Yukta, where is your K and L, ma? Yukta, M and N only you have written. Where is K and L?
And N is my mom is telling the
What is your mom saying?
we need to put the learning on mom.
What's the problem, Yukta's mom?
For small n, she has written it like H.
Like H you have written, ah. Only
Yeah.
the standing line you have to control, Mayukta. Okay, not a big standing line, a small standing line and a curve. Okay,
Now,
wow.
the time I
Put a
put
big
small.
standing line, it will become H like this.
Hmm.
Okay,
Understand?
ma'am.
So you should not write like H. Instead of that, you draw only a small standing line. That is enough for N. Okay, va? Come on,
Okay.
erase and write. Next letter will be J. Capital J. Capital J. Small j. Capital J from red line to the white line. small j from white line to the downside red line and a dot on top. J. Sarah, sit down and write, Sarah. Sit. Then how will you teach your brother if you are playing
Ma'am,
like
Sarah
this?
is not writing, ma'am.
That's what I'm asking, Sarah. Sarah, நீங்க எழுதலனா எப்படி உங்க பிரதருக்கு சொல்லி கொடுப்பீங்க?
She is not a sister, ma'am. She is baby. The big sister. Right.
Brother or sister?
She is my only daughter, ma'am. They are cousins, ma'am.
Cousins? Okay, okay, fine. I thought her brother. Come on, write, Sarah. Good girl. Come on,
I
write.
love to do that. Good morning, ma'am. Mokshita,
Good
ma'am.
morning. Good morning, Mokshita. Very good, Nitish. J. Very good, Riyasri. Very good, Nimalan. Adarsh, what are you doing, Adarsh? Write capital letters, no, Adarsh? Adarsh, capital letters out எழுதலாம் இல்லையா? Why are you not writing? I can't see any of your letters. Good, Adarsh. Very good. Okay, next letter after J. I. How will you write I? Capital I and small I. I, how will you write? Capital I, a standing line, sleeping line, sleeping line. Capital I. Okay. Small I, how will you write? Only a standing line and a dot on top. Good morning, Malan. Good. Whenever you are free, you have to take your slate and practice writing, children, till what we have learned. Very good, Nitish. Capital I and small I. Yukta, any doubts, Yukta?
She's not writing, ma'am.
Why, ma? That's why she's very disturbed today. Why? What do you want, Yukta? Tell me what do you want. What do you need, ma? It's very good, ma. Good morning, ma. Pranavi and Pravina.
Good morning,
Try to join all your children. Okay, now the time is 11:15. Yeah, good
Okay, ma'am.
morning.
Yeah, okay, ma'am.
Somebody
Sorry, ma'am.
try to join by 11.
Okay, ma'am. My class was now only ended.
See, I'm keeping on waiting for others and I'm not skipping all these activities. Okay, when you join by 11 only, I'll sharply start my session. No?
Okay, ma'am.
Finish, children, till I. That is the last word. Last letter. Yes, ma. Yeah, good morning, Tilakar. How many times? Good morning, ma. Very good. Now keep your face down. Don't finish writing.
Now, please, ma'am.
Very good, Mokshita. Good. Okay, now all of you come on, keep your slate down, join your hands and close your eyes. Ready, yeah? Srinija will say Kids Anthem today.
I'm Nimalan.
Srinija raised her hand, ma. Okay, let her say today, okay?
நாளைக்கு கம்முனு
Tomorrow, Nimalan, okay?
You're with me. You're infinite. You're unique. You're unique. My potential inside.
You're the wings.
You're infinite.
You're the wings.
Will be a fire. My potential inside. The bright light with all my minds. I shall achieve my potential inside.
Yes, very good. Thank you. Come on, all of you, keep standing for the warm-up activity.
Good morning, ma'am.
Yeah, good morning, children.
Ma'am. Good morning,
Yeah, good
Ma'am.
morning, Neha.
ma'am.
1 minute, children. Stand, all of you.
Break it.
Yes, children. Come on, go drink 1 glass of water and come back.
Okay, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Adya.
Ma'am, she's drinking water. She'll come.
Yeah, fine. Ilango. Who is absent? Okay. Nakshatra. Nakshatra. Okay. Nitish. Very good, Nitish. Kevin.
Maria.
Very good, Kevin. Riyasri.
Ma'am.
Very good, Riyasri. Sarah.
First attendance.
Very good, Sarah. Pranavi. Pranavi.
Here I am, ma'am.
Very good, Pranavi. Ravina.
Here I am, Ella, ma'am.
Very good, Ravina. Srinija.
I am Melina, ma'am.
Very good, Srinija. Tilaka.
Here I am, Vanilla, ma'am.
Very good, Tilaka. Yukta.
Here I am, ma'am.
Very good, Yukta. Kadambari. Kadambari. Shravanya.
Here I am.
Very good, Shravanya. Mokshita.
Here I am, ma'am.
Very good, Mokshita. Nimalan.
Here I am, Vanilla, ma'am.
Very good, ma. Adarsh. Adarsh. Very good, Adarsh. Yeah, very good, Adarsh. Thank you, children. Okay. Last week, what alphabet we learned, children? Last week we learned M, N, and O. Okay. Yeah, M, N, and O. Today we are going to learn a new alphabet, that is P. Okay, so before that we'll have a small recap of O, and then we'll learn P. Okay. Come on, all of you, look at the screen. Can you see my screen, children? Yes, what letter is this? Oh, all of you look at the screen. Don't take your workbook. Come on, look at the screen. Oh, capital O, small o. And what is the phonic sound for O? Now it's the lights go on. Time for that, the lights go off. Okay. O for, what is this? Yeah, very good. Octopus. Octopus. Next, what is the ostrich? Very good. O for ostrich. Next is O for orange. Very good. For orange. Orange is a fruit. O for, what is it? It is not a cow. It is a ox. Ox. Okay. Okay, next. O for, also we learned in what is this? Olive. Olive. And then what is this flower? This flower also we learned. O for, what is it? Orchid. O for orchid. O for orchid. This is capital and small t. Okay, I will write T, a standing T, and a curve, front curve. Okay, T. T for, let us see what are related to P. P for, what is this? P for, P for night, you will keep it in your head and see what is that. Pillow. P for pillow. Okay. P for, what is it? Pig. Very good. P for pig. Next, P for Very good. Very good. For panda. Good. Papa panda. Next P for parrot. Very good. P for parrot. Very good. For not apple. It's not apple. It is seed. Okay, apple is different from it. This is seed. Next P for anyone knows what is it? Peanut. Peanut. Okay. Peanut. Peanut study under mommy will yeah. Penguin. Very good. Penguin. Papa penguin. Next week. Very good. Because Papa pumpkin. Very good. Next musical instrument. Piano. Very good. Because Papa piano. Very good. Papa piano. Okay, so this is piano, pumpkin, penguin, Papa peanut, Papa peach, Papa parrot, Papa panda, big Papa pillow. So this is capital L, small P. Now I want you to take number P46 LT. Take P46 LT. P46 LT. You have a panda here. One dash negative dash 2121. Today is Tuesday. A standing line, a curve. Start writing. P46 LD. Start from the blue line and end in the red line. Don't start from the red line, children. Start from the blue line and end in the red line. P46 LT, ma. P. Papa panda, penguin, pig, pillow, pumpkin, parrot, piano, peach. P for Pravina. P for Pranavi.
Lots வேணும்.
What others? Take your book and write. No poem andal. Come on, take your book and write. Look at your friends. உன் friends பாருங்க எல்லாரும் எழுதுறாங்க பாருங்க அங்க. Come on, you also write. Sit straight first. Three days holidays you had. Now you are crying, huh? Yes. Okay, finished. Okay, fine. Erase one line and write it again. Finish?
Finish, ma'am.
Next page will be your homework. Children. Yeah, very good. Yes, good children. Everyone has finished. Still, is there anyone writing?
Finished இல்லையா சொல்லுங்க மேம்க்கு.
Now what I want you to do is, next is a concept time. So I want you to bring any fruit or vegetable, any one, and any chips or biscuit or chocos or whatever, chocolates, whatever you have, that one. Come on, bring it. Ask your parents and bring it. Any one healthy food, that is the fruit or vegetable, and any one unhealthy food, that is biscuit, chocolates, or chocos, chips, whatever you have in your home. Come and keep it ready. Children, you come and sit down. Come on. Let your parents prepare it. You come and sit down.
Chocolate, ma'am.
Yeah, right. Keep it ready, ma. All of you sit down. Sit down, all of you. Look at the screen. Are you all ready? Are you all in your places?
Ma'am, one fruit and one vegetable.
Fruit or vegetable, anything which is healthy food. And one unhealthy food, that is biscuit, chocolate, whatever you have, chips.
Okay, ma'am.
எது இருந்தாலும் எடுத்துட்டு வாங்க, which is unhealthy.
அன்ஹெல்த்தியா எதெல்லாம் இருக்கோ அதெல்லாம்
Okay. First, let us learn what is unhealthy food. Come on, all of you, look at the screen. Everyone, keep your books down, keep your materials down. Fruit or vegetable, whatever you have, keep it down. Sit down. Thumbs up, all of you, those who are ready. Yes, okay, Yukta. Yes, good. Thumbs up. You are ready? Shall we start?
not to eat now.
Not ready? I'm going to count down now from 10. When I finish one, everyone should be in your seat. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Is everyone there? Yes. Okay. Now come on, look at the screen, children. First, we are going to see the unhealthy food. Unhealthy food na ennadu? End food சாப்பிட்டா it is not good for your health. Okay, if you eat, you will get toothache, tooth cavities, stomach pain. Okay, so all these things you will get, no? So such type of food are called unhealthy food. And the food la ennadu? Unhealthy food. Healthy food na ennadu? The food which you eat and you get energy. You will be strong, hale and healthy. So such type of food are called healthy food. Okay, so unhealthy food என்னன்னு பார்க்கலாமா? What is it?
No, not healthy.
Pizza. Adu. Pizza you like very much. Pizza. Wow, unhealthy food. Okay. Next. Burger. That's other. Burger. Unhealthy food. Next. Donut. Unhealthy food. Okay. Next. Oh my God. What is this? Also unhealthy food, children. Too much of chocolate you should not eat. You will get tooth cavities. Okay. And then French fries, kurkure, bingo. All these are chips. It's unhealthy. No one should eat it. Okay, unhealthy. Then ice cream. Ice cream is also unhealthy. Chocolate ice cream is also unhealthy. Then noodles. Is noodles healthy? No. Noodles is not healthy. Eat noodles. Okay, so one more time, unhealthy food. We'll see what are all the unhealthy food. Pizza, burger, donut, chocolate, chips item, fried item, and then ice cream and noodles. All these food are unhealthy. No, it is not at all good for your health. You should not take too much of it. Biscuits are also unhealthy. Children, don't eat too much of biscuits too. Okay?
காலைல இருந்து ஒரு ஐஸ்கிரீம் எல்லாம் ஆச்சு.
Healthy food. Yes, healthy food. What is it? What is it? Yeah, it is vegetable soup. Okay? It is good for your health. Vegetable soup. Sandwich. Okay? Sandwich. Sandwich is also good. Why? Because it contains vegetables. Okay? Sandwich. Egg. Rice. Okay? It's also good.
Okay, let's
Salad or vegetable salad. It is very good for your health. Next, Srinija, listen. What is it? Milk. Milk is also good for health. It contains a lot of calcium. Srinija, mute yourself. Next.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Okay,
Excuse me, ma'am. We are not able to hear you properly.
okay, fruit juice something that is good for health. Juice you should not at all drink. Only fresh fruit juice you will drink. Okay. So shall we see again what are all the healthy food? Soup, sandwich, rice, salad, milk, fruit juices. All these are healthy food. Okay. Now come on, take your worksheet. Worksheet number D46CT. Sorry, D44 ERP. First with D44 ERP. Yes, ma'am. Yes, I'll ask you children repeatedly. We'll finish the worksheet and we'll conduct the activity.
Ma'am, page number.
D44 ERP.
கேட்பாங்க அப்ப காட்டிட்டு அப்புறம் சாப்பிடுறேன்.
Yes, ma'am. Okay, ma, I'll ask you keep the materials with you. I'm going to ask you anyhow. First, finish your worksheet. Okay, Srinija's worksheet will be like this. Srinija, you will be matching Srinija. Okay, circle the word. Ask your mama to circle the word. First is salad. See where is salad and match it.
Ma'am, what is the page number, ma'am?
D44 ERP.
44.
D44 ERP.
40.
Wait. Okay, fine. Got it, ma'am.
First is soup. Soup means sound. Okay, we are going to write the initial sound of the city. Soup, yes sound. So write S. Look at the screen and write children. Next is noodles. Noodles. Mute yourself, others.
Oh, sorry, ma'am.
Everyone mute yourself, please. Next is noodle. Again salad. Sound salad. Next is rice. Rice. Sound R. Rice.
Ma'am,
Mute yourself, ma. Who's that?
ma'am,
Yes,
Maushita's mom, ma'am. I didn't get the page number, ma'am.
D44 ERP. உங்களுக்கு வேற மாதிரி இருக்கும்னு நினைக்கிறேன்.
Yes, ma'am. No page like this, ma'am.
Yeah, if it is matching, you can match. Circle the word and ask them to match.
Okay, ma'am.
curd. We are clicking castanets. Curd. All right, C. Next is sandwich sound. Sound means what you'll write? S. Sandwich. And next you have milkshake. Milkshake. Sound, that is M. Next is sound, so that is F. Finish ma? Yeah, let the others also finish. Kana. Wait.
Sarah finished, ma'am.
Sarah, finish. Very good.
Vanilla, ma'am. Ma'am.
Finish. Good. Still who is writing?
Finish, ma'am.
Very good, Shavanya. Still who is writing? Shall we move on to the next worksheet?
Adha is writing, ma'am.
Okay, right.
Yukta is also writing, ma'am.
Yeah, right, children. I'll wait for you, right? Children, learning phonic sound is very important. Children, learn it along with the action. In your assessment also, the initial letter you will be checking out with the initial letter sounds. Okay, so be clear with that. Means what sound, what letter.
When will be the assessment, ma'am? Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes,
When will be the assessment, ma'am?
probably by after 10th only it will be.
Okay, ma'am. Okay.
By September 13th, I think.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Finish, Mayukta.
Finish, ma'am.
Very good, Mokshita. Good.
Finish, ma'am.
Very good, Yukta. Adya, finish.
What the what?
Done, ma'am.
Yeah. Okay, next worksheet will be D46 CT, children. D46 CT. So here you will be circling the unhealthy food. Now we saw all the unhealthy food, no? So row by row you check out. First row you have apple, banana and French fries. See which is unhealthy, apple, banana or French fries. Which is unhealthy, you have to circle. Second line you have milk, curd and chocolate. Which is unhealthy. எது உடம்புக்கு நல்லது இல்லையோ அதை circle பண்ணணும். Okay. Next is roti, dal and this cornflakes. Even cornflakes are not good for your health since it's a packed product. So that is also unhealthy. Next you have salad
Ma'am, page number?
D46CT. Am I not audible?
Yeah, we will get go to.
Next is orange. So which is unhealthy food in this line? Line by line, check it out and circle, children. Randomly don't circle. Check out line by line. Line path which is unhealthy. Unhealthy food alone you should circle. Yukta, first line, which is the unhealthy food, Yukta? Apple, banana or French fries?
French fries, ma'am.
Very good, ma, Yukta. Next. Second line, Adya Sharma.
நான் finish பண்ணிட்டேன்.
Okay, wait.
Milk, curd or chocolate,
इसमें
which is
कौन सा
unhealthy?
अनहेल्दी है बताओ? अनहेल्दी
Milk,
क्या है?
curd or chocolate?
Pizza या
Huh? Pizza. Va? Milk,
बताओ
curd and chocolate, which is unhealthy?
बताओ
ये बोला
नाम बताओ ये अनहेल्दी
Chocolate.
है ये या ये
ये
नाम बताओ नाम
Chocolate. Okay.
चॉकलेट
Next is Ravanya. In this one, which is unhealthy? Roti, dal or cornflakes?
இது அன்ஹெல்தி
Which is unhealthy?
இந்த லைன்ல எது எது
Dal,
purple
you have
பண்ணிருக்கீங்க?
roti, dal and cornflakes. Which is unhealthy?
சொல்லுங்க மேம் எது ஹெல்த் நூடுல்ஸ் சொல்லுங்க
Cornflakes.
அன்ஹெல்தி
Yes, cornflakes. Unhealthy. Good. Fourth line. Who will say Sara? Fruit salad. Sorry, vegetable or fruit salad. Ice cream, orange fruit. Which is unhealthy, Sara? Salad, orange or ice cream?
இங்க எது அன்ஹெல்தின்னு கேக்குறாங்க இந்த ரோல
We have three here, right? Salad, ice cream and a fruit. Which is unhealthy? எது சாப்பிட்டா உடம்புக்கு நல்லது இல்ல? Which is unhealthy?
That's not healthy.
கண்டிப்பா ஐஸ்கிரீம் சொல்ல மாட்டீங்க பட் ஐஸ்கிரீம் இஸ் அன்ஹெல்தி ஓகே
Ice cream. Yeah.
all these things that you like are really very unhealthy, children. Don't eat it very often, okay? Rarely you should eat it. சாப்பிட கூடாதுன்னு சொல்ல but very rarely you should eat, okay? Now all of you ready for the activity? Finish circling. Yeah, now come on. Okay, ready with your materials, right? Yes. Yes, first, okay, Sarah, which is healthy and which is unhealthy? Come on, show me. Name it and tell me this is healthy, this is unhealthy, like that you should say. Come on.
Ma'am, what they have to do? Sorry, I did not got it.
No.
Any fruit or vegetable which is healthy or any snacks like chips, biscuit, chocolate, anything if you have in your home, you can bring it. That is unhealthy. You have
Yes,
to say which is healthy and which is unhealthy. Okay? Yeah, just give me a minute, children. Yes, ready? Now see how ma'am is going to tell you, okay? Chocolate, unhealthy. No. Okay. This is vegetable, bitter gourd. It is healthy. Healthy food. Unhealthy food. Okay. Healthy food. Unhealthy food. Like this, you have to say, children. Okay. First, come on, Yukta. Yukta.
చెప్పు అవును చెప్పు
Healthy food.
Healthy food. Tomato healthy food. Okay.
Unhealthy food. Chocolate.
Unhealthy food. Chocolate. Good. Name it. Okay, children. Okay. Next is who is ready? Srinija. Okay, ma. I'll call you 1 minute. Mute yourself, everyone. Srinija. Which is healthy and which is unhealthy?
Yes, ma'am. This is
Carrot. Healthy food.
carrot. Healthy. Chocolate not healthy.
Unhealthy. Should not say not healthy. It is unhealthy. Okay? Next
Unhealthy.
is, yeah. Thank you, ma. Sarah.
Sarah, show which is healthy and unhealthy food.
Healthy.
Show it to ma'am.
Which is healthy? Name it. What is that healthy food? It has a
What is
name,
that?
no? What is that?
I'm so healthy.
Orange is the healthy food. Very good. Then which
Okay,
is
show the
unhealthy
unhealthy food. Unhealthy food. No, unhealthy food, which is not healthy. Show.
Chocolate.
Yeah, show.
Chocolate. Very good, Sarah.
What
Chocolate
happened to the chocolate?
unhealthy.
It
Very
is
good.
all very
Good,
She
ma,
ate the
Sarah.
unhealthy food.
Okay, fine. Next is Adya Sharma.
हाँ बताओ मैम को उठा के बताओ ये क्या है
Apple is? Apple is?
बोलो हेल्दी
healthy.
ये क्या है
Strawberry.
क्या है हेल्दी
Healthy.
Healthy food. Very good.
ये क्या है
Healthy.
ये चॉकलेट हेल्दी है
It's not the healthy.
हाँ क्या
Very good. It's not a healthy food. Unhealthy food. Very good, Adya. Thank you so much. Next is Shravanya. Shravanya.
Biscuit is unhealthy food.
Very good.
Dagger food is healthy food.
Healthy food. Very good, Shravanya. Thank you.
Chocolate is unhealthy food.
Wow. Chocolate is also unhealthy. Very good. But you all have this at home? Huh? Okay, fine. Next is Pranavi and Pravina.
Yes, ma'am.
Come on. Healthy and unhealthy.
Chocolate and healthy.
Chocolate
Apple
unhealthy. What?
Apple healthy.
Very good. Pravina.
Ma'am, now Pravina only told.
Okay, Pranavi.
Chocolate and healthy. Orange healthy.
Very good. Thank you. Next is Adarsh. Adarsh.
Yes, ma'am, sir.
Yes, ma'am.
சொல்லுங்க ஃபுட் ஏதாவது
Apple, moon.
ஆப்பிள் என்ன ஃபுட் ஹெல்த்தியா
Healthy or unhealthy apple? Healthy. Very good. Healthy. Next.
அன்ஹெல்தி
Unhealthy.
Okay, fine. Thank you, Adarsh. Next is Nitish. Nitish.
Yes, ma'am. சொல்லு
Healthy and unhealthy.
சொல்லு போ
Come on, Nitish. Which is healthy and which is unhealthy?
இது ஹெல்த்தியா அன்ஹெல்த்தியா பனானா சொல்லுங்க
Banana healthy or unhealthy?
ரெஸ்ட் ரூம் போணுமா மேம்
It and come. Go. Next is Tilakar.
Unhealthy.
Which is unhealthy? What is that?
Unhealthy.
Enna that unhealthy? Candy, Next.
Healthy.
Apple is healthy. Very good. Thank you, Nakshatra.
This is healthy.
Nakshatra.
Sound
Healthy.
Okay. Fruit healthy. What is that?
Healthy.
Kurkure va? Chipsa. Okay. Unhealthy. Very good. Next, Nimalan. Good. Nimalan.
Healthy.
Koyyapalam. Valapalam, Goyapalam. What is this? Banana, Guava. Don't know the names in English. Okay, Guava is healthy. Okay, next.
Healthy.
Unhealthy. Healthy, biscuit healthy da. Unhealthy. No, unhealthy.
Unhealthy.
Very good. Chocolates unhealthy. Very good. Yeah, very good. Next is
only for Nimalan it is healthy, ma'am.
அதான் சொல்றேன் நிம்மலனுக்கு பிஸ்கட்டும் ஹெல்தி சாக்லேட்டும் ஹெல்தியா ஓகே மோக்ஷிதா ஓகே கெவின்
Come.
very good
Chocolate
Chocolate and tea.
unhealthy. Very good boy, Kevin. Super. Very good. Thank you, Kevin. Okay, finished with everyone. Children, now you know which is healthy and which is unhealthy. Okay?
Ma'am,
So
Riyashri, ma'am.
Riyashri, I forgot. Sorry, Riyashri. Come on.
Ma'am, Mokshita also, ma'am.
Mokshita, I called, but you didn't answer Mokshita's call. Thought there is network issue.
Ma'am,
Very good, Riyashri. Unhealthy biscuit. Very good. Well done. Now, Mokshita, can you say apple healthy, biscuit unhealthy? Very good. Come on, tell me which is healthy and which is unhealthy.
Healthy food.
Which is healthy food? Name it. Name இருக்குல்ல அதுக்கு நேம் பண்ணுங்க. Okay. Next.
Banana. Is banana healthy food?
Unhealthy.
Is apple healthy food?
Apple healthy food. Where is your unhealthy food? No unhealthy food in your home?
Small apple.
Okay, ma. Unhealthy food எதுவுமே இல்லையா உங்க வீட்ல? What is that?
Chocolate.
Chocolate. Yeah, chocolate is unhealthy. Very good. Okay, thank you, children. Today's homework will be letter P and this worksheet number D44MT number 31. This will also be your homework today. Finish your P worksheet and then number 31 worksheet. That will be your today's homework. Thanks for your cooperation. See you tomorrow. Bye-bye.
Ma'am, what homework?